Well, howdy y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Strickling. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. This is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm kind of excited about it. So I'm actually a new Scentsy consultant, and Scentsy is a fragrance company. And they have a wide variety of products, from wax melters and warmers to different scented waxes, all the way to laundry products and cleaning products. They have products for kids, they have products for pets. They have products for just about anything that you would use in your daily life, and they have fragrances to help you enjoy those products. So I'm a new consultant, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm looking forward to sharing the products with my customers and also growing the business. So I'm pretty excited about this, and I want to get right into the unboxing. This is the starter kit. I just joined this month, and during the month of May, it's actually only $20 to get started. You get the starter kit for that, and you're able to get started right away. So it's definitely worth looking into if you're interested in it. Like I said, for this month of May 2021, it's $20 to get started. You can also check out my website. I'll post the link for that in the description below. It's just cystrickling.scentsy.us. When you shop off of my website, it helps me with my pay, but then also allows you to ask me any questions or contact me if you need anything. So let's get right into the unboxing and see what's in the starter kit. So this is the starter kit. I opened the outside tape, but that was as far as I got. This is the box. Alright, so let's take a look. We've got a welcome to the Scentsy family. That's awesome. It's a nice little note. We have some more paperwork in here. Congratulations on starting your Scentsy business. As well as the Welcome to the Scentsy Lifestyle Quick Start Guide. So I'll go ahead and read through all those. Alright, yeah, plenty of packaging material. Make sure everything stays safe, because there is fragile stuff in the box. Alright, so let's take a look and see what we got here. You know, I'm actually pretty excited about these products. I love different fragrances and stuff like that. So we have here the Scentsy Warmer. This one, it says, it's Why Are You Blushing? Let's take a look and see. That's this one here, if you can see it. Okay. So we get the little information pamphlet. You get a little washer, it looks like. It looks like a felt washer. There's the light bulb, so that's important. This is the actual plug that plugs into the wall, and you put your light bulb in that top slot. Okay. And then this is the warmer itself. It's actually really pretty. Let me see if I can take this out here. So this is the actual warmer. It's actually really pretty. I really like it a lot. And put that there for a sec. Alright, our light bulb screws in. Pretty basic. And then you have your on and off switch on the front. You just put the globe right over this, and that's your warmer, your plug-in warmer. So let me see. I'm gonna put this on here. All right. So that's our warmer. I'm not sure if that's gonna stay there, so I'll put it like this. I want to make sure that you guys can see what comes in it, so I do have a camera set up so that you can see it a little bit better. Alright, up next we have these. These are awesome. These are actually like a ton of testers, so we get quite a few of those. Let's take a look and see. So this is the black raspberry vanilla. Man, these smell good. Yeah, those are really nice. Let's put a couple of those around in our picture here. We have Amazon Rain. That one's also really nice. Let's see. Aloe water and cucumber. Oof. These are all really nice. And there's just so many more in here. There's so many different scents. I'm pretty sure it's most of them. Let's see. This one was pink cotton. Let's see what pink cotton smells like. Wow, they are really pretty smells. I like them a lot. Alright. But there's all different kinds of scents in here, from coconut lemongrass, there's a mahalo coconut, a lavender cotton, sea salt, and avocado. So there's pretty much scents for everything that you could ever want. Any kind of scent you like, they've got a scent for it. Alright, so I'll set that there. Alright, so up next is actually the samples for different kinds of products. These are really nice. I'm actually excited that these are in the starter kit because I was looking at getting these additionally. There's pineapple, coconut, vanilla hand cream. Pineapple, coconut, vanilla body cream. Let's see. There's the Scentsy clothesline washer whiffs. These are scents for when you're doing laundry and stuff like that. Pineapple, coconut, vanilla body wash. Pineapple, coconut, vanilla hand soap. So these are all really nice. And you get pretty big samples as well. There's fabric softener. Yeah, some of that. You have laundry liquid, which is the laundry detergent. And also really awesome, actually, I'm pretty excited to try these out, is the Best Bud Suds, the pet shampoo. And there's also the dish soap. I was looking for the dish soap, so I'm pretty excited for that as well. I'm looking forward to trying all of these. So you get a ton of samples, which are awesome, because it's going to be useful to kind of test them out, see what scents I like, but then also be able to offer them to other people. Alright, so a few more things here in our box. We have some of the wax melts. So these are just wax cubes that you break off and put into the warmer. This is the black raspberry vanilla scent. And you get quite a few of them. I'll show you on the back here. So you get quite a few. You can break off the bricks and use them as you see fit. If you want one brick or two or three or all of them, it's up to you. And then last but not least, we have the catalogs. So we have a bunch of different catalogs so that people can kind of see what is offered. This is the spring and summer of 21 catalog. So that's really awesome as well to have kind of, you know, something for people to look at. So that's everything that's in the starter kit here. Like I said, I'm really excited about it. I'm looking forward to sharing these products with everybody. I really hope that you guys can take a chance and kind of look into it. If you want some samples, let me know. I can definitely get you some samples. Or if you wanted to try something, or if you're not sure of the scent, let me know and I can work with you to try to get that situated. Again, you can go to my personal Scentsy website. It's just cystrickling.scentsy.us, and that link will be in the description below. And check it out and see the different products. They also have Marvel products. They have products from Star Wars with Baby Yoda products. They have a ton of different licensed products as well, Disney, all that sort of stuff. So it's definitely worth checking out. There's a product for almost everybody, and there's new stuff being added all the time. Thank you all for watching this unboxing video of my starter kit with Scentsy and learning about my business. I'm looking forward to talking to all of you about it and helping you get started with your own Scentsy products. I'm Cy Strickling, and I'll see y'all in the next one.